Hi, I'm Eden from Prosper in Beauty, and if you're wondering how you're going to get your dream of a natural hair brand of your own to come to life, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be sharing with you in a two-part video series secrets that the beauty industry does not want you to know. Why would they not want you to know it, you ask? Well, the margins in this industry are crazy high and it is very profitable, and a lot of people are a little bit afraid of the competition, to be honest. So the first secret is the secret of bulk bases. What are bulk bases, you may ask? Well, these are complete formulations, cosmetic formulations that are sold by the ounce or by the gallon. You can get shampoos, conditioners, lotions, makeup, all kinds of things. And obviously, the larger the quantity of formulation that you buy, the cheaper the price. So it goes down in price by the ounce with increasing quantity that is bought. And some of these companies that offer these bulk bases even have packaging, designing, and labeling options available. So for example, you could order 24 units of an 8-ounce conditioner that comes in a beautiful jar or bottle with your own branded label on it, and ingredients label, everything taken care of. All you have to do is take it out of the box and sell it, either either online or in person, and you can have it delivered to your office, salon, or home. It's just that easy and that awesome. The tricky part is knowing what bulk bases across the various companies that will actually work for naturally coily and curly hair types. This is where an understanding of the ingredients and basic formulation concepts behind natural hair products will empower you to find bases that can actually work for our hair. And some of these bases can even be found in the skincare category. Just because it's listed under skincare doesn't mean that it can't work for natural hair. So if you want an easy shortcut to this kind of information, instead of having to just Google bulk bases and go for it yourself, feel free to click the link above and sign up for our weekly newsletter. You'll get immediate access to my down and dirty guide to launching your own beauty brand. And this will help you get started in less time and with less money than you previously thought possible. And you'll also get notifications of upcoming free webinars where I delve into these resources in more detail. So by signing up, you get immediate access to information regarding specific companies that you can contact today that have bases that actually work for our hair type. Plus, you'll also get some quick and easy packaging and design resources. So I hope that you got some value out of this, and you will join me for part 2 of the How to Launch Your Own Natural Hair Brand series, where I will reveal the second secret, which is even more coveted than the first, and that will surely blow your twist out back. So I look forward to seeing you in the second video. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos that come out. You can press the like button, share this with your friends, with anyone you know who might be looking to start their natural hair brand. And I look forward to visiting with you in your inbox. Thanks for joining me.